Coywolf. A coywolf is a fascinating example of evolution in action, created from the mating of coyotes and wolves. Unlike many hybrids that hit a genetic dead end, coywolves are fully fertile because their parents share a nearly identical number of chromosomes. This phenomenon has allowed them to create a stable, independent population spreading across North America. Even more fascinating, DNA analysis shows they possess the pack-hunting instincts of wolves combined with the adaptability of coyotes, making them uniquely suited to survive in both forests and urban environments. Beefalo. The beefalo is a hybrid created intentionally by humans, combining the traits of the American bison and domestic cattle. The goal was to produce an animal that combines the milking ability and ease of handling of a cow with the hardiness of a bison. This crossbreeding is scientifically significant because, unlike mules, beefalo are fully fertile and can reproduce on their own. Today, they are mainly found in the United States and Canada, where they are prized for producing leaner meat and withstanding colder climates than ordinary cattle. Grolar Bear. A Grolar Bear is a rare natural hybrid that occurs when a grizzly bear mates with a polar bear. This phenomenon is usually caused by climate change driving the two species into the same territories in the Canadian Arctic. What's amazing is that these bears are not sterile. DNA testing on wild specimens has proven that they can produce second-generation offspring. They typically possess the creamy fur of a polar bear, but the physical structure and long claws of a grizzly, acting as a biological bridge between two powerful predators. Wolfdog. A wolfdog is one of those phenomena that blurs the line between wild and domestic. Because wolves and dogs belong to the same species, Canis lupus, their offspring, are genetically compatible and almost always fully fertile. This condition allows them to breed back with either wolves or dogs without issue. While they may look like rugged huskies, they often retain the intense predatory instincts of their wolf ancestors. Surprisingly, despite their wild nature, many are kept as exotic pets, though they require specialized care that differs greatly from a standard house dog. Wholphin. In the marine world, the chances of a cross between a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin are incredibly slim. Yet this phenomenon does occur, resulting in a rare hybrid known as a wholphin. The most iconic real-life case is Kekamalu, a female in Hawaii who proved her fertility by giving birth to 3 calves. Anatomically, they are a perfect average of their parents. For instance, while a dolphin has 88 teeth and a whale has 44, a wholphin has exactly 66. This unique genetic balance allows them to survive and thrive in captivity. Savannah Cat. A Savannah cat is an exotic cross between a wild African serval and a domestic cat. At first glance, they look like miniature cheetahs living in a living room. The fertility of this hybrid is complex. While females are usually fertile from the first generation, males are typically sterile until the 4th generation due to the genetic differences between the parents. Fascinatingly, once they reach that 4th generation, they become a fully fertile breed, retaining the serval's incredible jumping ability and dog-like loyalty, while being safe to keep as household pets. Dzo. The dzo is a hybrid animal heavily relied upon in the high altitudes of Tibet and Mongolia. It is the offspring of a yak and a domestic cow. This phenomenon is a classic example of gender-linked fertility. While the male dzo is sterile, the female, known as a dzomo, is fully fertile. This allows herdsmen to backcross them with yaks to maintain strong genetic lines. They are biologically significant because they produce more milk than yaks and are stronger than cattle, making them the perfect engine for surviving the harsh conditions of the Himalayas. Bengal cat. Similar to the savannah, the Bengal cat is a success story of hybrid breeding. Originating from the cross between an Asian leopard cat and a domestic feline, they were developed to bring the wild aesthetic into the home. Early generations often faced fertility issues in males, but through careful selective breeding, the Bengal is now a fully established and fertile breed. What's even more fascinating is that they are the only domestic cat with rosettes, the rose-like markings found on leopards and jaguars, making their wild heritage undeniable. Zubron. The Zubron is essentially the European equivalent of the beefalo, a cross between the European bison and domestic cattle. This animal was developed in Poland in an attempt to create a durable livestock alternative. They are massive, heavy creatures that are extremely resistant to disease and harsh weather. While the first-generation males are sterile, the females are fertile and can be bred back with either parent species. Despite their potential for meat production, few commercial herds exist today, and they remain a rare curiosity found mostly in select nature reserves. Liger. A liger is a massive hybrid, born from a male lion and a female tiger, making it the largest cat in the world. While it is often believed that all hybrids are sterile, female ligers are a surprising exception. They are fertile and can mate with either a lion or a tiger, producing offspring known as ligers or ligers. Unfortunately, because lions and tigers do not share the same habitat in the wild, these animals only exist in captivity. Their immense size is caused by a lack of growth-inhibiting genes, which typically results in them outgrowing both of their parents.